Respected Director and Dean Dr. Barmal, Academic Dean Dr. Satish Tarak, Medical Superintendent Dr. Devdas Shetty, Deputy Dean Dr. Ajay Rana, Nair Faculty and Administration, resident doctors and students, nursing staff, security and paramedical staff, security staff led by Pooja, and of course the future of Nair in India, the little ones who presented me with a floral bouquet.
So cute.
Thank you. On the occasion of the 70th Independence Day of this great nation, I wish you all a safe, healthy, happy and peaceful life and pray for the continued progress of our motherland India and our mother institute, the Nair Hospital. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Dean and all of you for inviting me today. Friends, I am and will remain a proud Indian and a proud Nairite, and no greater pride for me than being invited to do the honors of hoisting the national tricolour on the 70th Independence Day and during the 100-year celebration of Nair Hospital.
Actually, two landmark events.
This indeed will remain one of my most cherished memories. I have been a witness to this ceremony from 1981 when I joined Nair as a student. And as I progressed as faculty, I have attended this function regularly over the years with loyalists like Ajay Chaurasya, Uday Bhatt, Tanak Nagle, Sailesh Moite, Rajesh Mahe, Rajan Nerulkar. I can see my friend Tilak Shetty there, he's come all the way, Surbhi Rathi, Alka Subramaniam, to name a few. For someone who grew up admiring retired Nair stalwarts, hoisting the national flag, and drawing inspiration from them, I deem it an honor and a privilege to do the honors as a true son of the soil on this landmark occasion. The frontline workers, COVID warriors and COVID saviors, as well as the Indian Olympic contingent were the stars in the lead up to this year's Independence Day celebration. And that Nair was and is at the forefront of the difficult struggle for independence from COVID is a matter of great pride for each one of us present here. Friends, my mother inculcated in me the dictum of doing one good deed every day. It could be as simple as bringing a smile on someone's face by offering a seat on a crowded bus. I know that our mother institution, the Nair Hospital, did its best to put a smile on Mumbaikar's face during the last 18 months. The centenary celebrations led by Henal have brought a smile on Nairites all over the world. And needless to say that for the last 100 years, dating back to pre-independence India, Nair has been at the forefront of bringing a smile on our motherland. The need of the hour is to be positive and help someone smile to overcome the current situation in the world. Just as the motto of our institute is Vidya Norup Vimukte, the message for today is Parihaso Norup Vimukte. May laughter and joy deliver us from affliction. Keep smiling, friends, make others smile and enjoy the elaborate centenary celebration. Express my gratitude and salute our freedom fighters, forefathers and armed forces, and in recent times the COVID warriors and the COVID saviors for making India an incredible India. And I thank all Nairites, past and present, for making Nair an incredible institute. I love my India, I love my Nair. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind.